The secret to a successful outdoor meal is having chafing dishes. I'm Gina with WTI, and I use these ones from KScocina for a gathering I threw recently that had over 100 people. They kept the food up to an optimal temperature so that I didn't have to worry about my guests having any issues. These are stainless steel, heavy duty, and I love the setup. The handle makes it really easy to pick up and move these around. Now, we noticed that the tray table for the burner was kind of close to the water basin, so the manufacturer recommends that you get burners that don't have wicks. We also kind of pressed down a little bit on the stand, and that helped to create a bigger gap. These are mostly assembled. All you have to do is attach the handle. I also appreciated that these have a rolled edge design. That made me feel more comfortable having children serve themselves out of these chafing dishes. Then I didn't have to worry that they might accidentally cut themselves. Although we just use these for warm dishes, you can also fill the water basin with ice and it will help keep your food cool. I feel this is an absolute must, and it definitely helped my gathering come off without a hitch, and that's my point of view.